finish it off here today. So we're just gonna do one more thing. So far you've just seen improvised comedy. What we're gonna do now is improvised stand-up. So we're gonna create jokes. So all the actors are gonna come on stage and they're gonna create one-liners based on any suggestion that you guys give us, and we're just gonna come up with jokes right on the spot. It's called A Date With Me Is Like, and it's gonna be like, what's something that you would use for cleaning? And we're going to pretend to use a microphone. Thank you for that. That's right. Yeah. Right. So we're going to speak into the microphone, so it's going to be much louder for you, right? So you'll be able to hear it properly. So, can you hear me okay? Oh, that's good. Okay. All right, good. Thanks for that, Rich. So, let's have a suggestion for you guys. What's something that you would use for cleaning? Use for cleaning the house, for example.
Toilet brush.
Toilet brush. Take it away. Take it with me like toilet brush.
A date with me is like a toilet brush. Very useful, but somewhat scratchy.
Date with me is like a toilet brush. You should always leave it clean.
A date with me is like a date with a toilet brush. You know, it's covered with bristles and it hurts when you rub it on you.
A date with me is like a toilet brush. At first you think you don't need it, but then you really do.
A date with me is like a toilet brush. You don't really hear the noises, but it's there.
A date with me is like a toilet brush. It's there in the corner, but you don't really want to touch it.
A date with me is like a toilet brush. There is something inside that you probably want to see it, but it's gross.
A date with me is like a date with a toilet brush. You really don't want to ask me where I've been.
A date with me is a toilet brush. But dirty and clean you in the bathroom.
A date with me is like a toilet brush. Sometimes you can use it for cleaning and sometimes as a weapon.
That's enough toilet humor. Let's get something else. What is something else other than a toilet brush that you would use for cleaning?
Bleach.
Huh? Bleach. Of course it is. Date with me like bleach.
Date with me is like a date with bleach. Once it's been in your mouth, you don't want it back.
A date with me is like a date with bleach. At least we're germ-free.
A date with me is like a date with bleach. Blinding.
A date with me is like a date with bleach. You see its true colors.
A date with me is like bleach. You think you don't feel good, but it cleans your soul.
A date with me is a date with brush. You can change the color.
A date with me is like a date with the bleach. You change your life forever.
Well, let's do one more. What's one more thing that you'll...
Duster.
Huh?
A duster.
Of course, you always use a dumpster for cleaning.
Duster.
A duster.
Sorry about my accent.
Yeah. Can you speak Australian, please? A date with me is like a date with a duster.
What? A date with me is like a date with a duster. You rub it on you and it tickles.
A date with me is like with a duster. It shakes things and you never know what's gonna fall off.
A date with me is like a date with a feather duster. Your parents really don't know that it's just a sex toy.
Date with me is like date with old duster. It will be more dirty afterwards.
A date with me is like being with a duster. As long as we both wear French-made outfits, it would be great.
Okay. A date with me smells. A date with daughter. Your home so clean.
Yeah!
Together. Do it.
A date with me. Okay, no, we're not doing it. A date with me is like a duster. You think you're getting rid of it, but it's really all over your face.
That's great. That's it. A date with me is like a duster. It looks really firm, but it's actually quite soft.